Strange booms and also trembling are really quite usual around the world. But why are these loud booms and rumblings being listened to so typically worldwide? An alien invasion? Some blowing up meteors? Earthquakes? Or simply indications of major Earth changes taking place deep within our planet and also soon dooming the world? What are these mystical grumbling sounds? First, you should seek manufactured sources like jetsonic booms, really not allowed over inhabited areas, military as well as authorities trainings, and also they will certainly not consistently tell you they are guilty. Underground tunnel buildings, blowing up, fire, surges, for example, tannerite. You might additionally recognize that quakes generate loud booms. So if you stay in a quake-prone location, a fracking location, or near a volcano, you could experience these loud grumbling noises. So when you don't have quakes or volcanoes around, after that feasible sources are regional electrical tornadoes, tsunami-like waves damaging offshore, eruptive offshore methane ruptures, deteriorating meteors, or if you remain in the desert, some growing sand dunes. Yet do not neglect that when Earth actions along with rifts in stretch areas, loud booms are developed by the air over the locations slapping together. Most the secret booms and rumblings are the outcome of a tearing or extending planet. So, I would absolutely encourage individuals living along stretch areas to sustain a close check out their homes in addition to on the sinking ground around. You might undeniably encounter a boost in split and sinkhole development.
Well, you blew up our phones and red action button on this next story. Call it the case of the mystery booms. Folks in the Verde Valley want to know what shook their community last night. So CBS 5's Heather Moore hit the road to investigate.
I've never heard anything quite like this.
A tremendous boom, like a controlled explosion.
It sounded like two very large explosions.
Hundreds of people from all ends of the Verde Valley have now reported hearing the same thing. Around 5 o'clock Tuesday evening, something crazy loud stole their attention.
It scared me. I actually felt it and my house shook.
It was really, really freaky, to tell you the truth. It was scary.
Since then, a lot of people have been digging for answers.
Everybody described the same thing. They seem to believe that it came from underground rather than from the air.
There are no active mines in this valley and no known demolitions took place.
People, I think, are wondering what it is.
It has been more than a day since those thunderous booms rocked the Verde Valley, and it is still the talk of the town. We reached out to law enforcement, to fire, to the military, even to the Geological Service. None of them had any explanation to this mystery. They're in the dark on this, just like everyone else.
It's pretty amazing that the whole Verde Valley heard this, so it had to be something quite large.
It has to be a mystery or something, because I didn't see anything and there's nothing around.
Nothing but an explosion of speculation about what's behind the mystery blasts.
I don't know. Unless when somebody had a handful of dynamite and didn't know what else to do with it.
It's going to make a good story if we can find the truth.
In the Verde Valley, Heather Moore, CBS 5 News.
Mysterious loud noises keeping some residents in New Jersey awake at night. Fair Lawn police say that they've got numerous reports over the last few days.
But no one has pinpointed the cause of these disturbances. New Jersey reporter Anthony Johnson is in Fair Lawn with more. Anthony?
Well, certainly this story is getting a lot of traction on social media, and authorities here in Fair Lawn are working night and day over this past week to get to the bottom of what they're calling the Big Bang. Now, the loud noises or banging taking place during the evening hours has unnerved some residents living in close proximity to the Passaic River. The loud sound started Sunday have been heard at least 3 other times this week. But what is it? Some report the noise sounds like huge garbage dumpsters banging or even loud fireworks. An electrical substation on the Patterson side of the Passaic River has apparently been ruled out as a possible source for the sound. On social media, the alien conspiracy theory is gaining momentum. The mayor is taking the noise seriously because of security concerns and says police are beefing up patrols in the area where police have been hearing the mystery noise.
People have heard this noise several blocks away, 15 to 20 blocks away, people have heard it. So, we're vigilant about it. We've been in contact with Patterson and the authorities and our police department, and we just hope anyone who hears the noise, if they could contact us here at the Fairlawn Police Department, and, we could possibly narrow it down to the time and maybe find out where it's coming from.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe to Time to Wake Up for more upcoming videos like aliens, Faust, Illuminati, New World Order, strange sounds, etc. Bye for now and see you in the next video.